Imagine you've just recorded a series of videos. Screen captures, shop floor footage, quick explanations filmed in the moment. There's background noise. The audio is uneven. Now imagine something different. You upload those same raw videos into Speach, and within minutes, they are automatically transformed into a clear, structured, step-by-step training. The noise is cleaned. A professional AI voice delivers the message for you. Now, let's look at the training that has been automatically generated from the SAP footage with poor audio.
Let's start by understanding a fundamental concept. What is a purchase order?
In SAP, you'll use transaction code Me21N.
Visual avatars, on-screen content, and voiceover scripts are created automatically. And everything remains fully editable. Quality and L&D teams can customize avatars, backgrounds, layouts, and branding while maintaining consistency across all training materials. Visuals are generated as well. You can use them as is, upload approved assets, or refine prompts to generate compliant visuals. Our AI automatically trims the raw footage, adds pauses where needed, and explains what's happening on screen. Everything is handled for you. When you're ready, use Speach's built-in review and approval workflows, complete with full audit trails, electronic signatures, and version tracking. And when a new version is approved and published, updates are automatically synced with zero manual effort. They see the full outline. Now, let's explore the training that was automatically created from the raw gowning process footage.
Welcome to the first chapter of your cleanroom training. In this section, we'll explore why cleanroom protocols are absolutely critical to pharmaceutical manufacturing. They're strictly prohibited in the cleanroom. This includes sweaters, flannel shirts, fuzzy boots or shoes, and any other clothing that sheds fibers. Rub your hands together thoroughly for at least 20 seconds.
And, if lock chapter is enabled, must complete every section and quiz before progressing. This ensures controlled learning.